getting this?
Yeah. This is hilarious. Uh-oh. Giz not backing down. Giz, break out your moves, Giz. What are all those moves you practiced? Hey! Settle down, teddy bear. Look, Giz laughing at him. Oh.
He tries to like mock him back. When he squeaks, Giz squeaks.
Uh-oh.
Teddy.
Teddy.
Relax, mister. Teddy.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I think it's over for Giz. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Giz resurging.
Giz, be a man. Give him a good bite.
Oh, look at that, Smush. They gave each other a little kiss. Oh, that's the cutest.
They're definitely playing together.
Yeah.
He doesn't run away at all.
Yeah, not even. Look at Teddy. Oh, boy. Say hello, Giz. Hello. Hello. Good boy, Giz. This is like a little standoff here.
Giz is laughing at you.
Oh, that's hilarious. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Maybe. Oh, no, I thought Giz maybe had enough, but he's coming back.
He knows that Teddy's all barking.
Teddy! Hey!
Relax, bear.
You're getting too feisty. Uh-oh. Well, I think Teddy's got so excited he had to pee. Oh no, he's missing!
Oh,
He's not even close! Teddy bear!
No,
Oh. Smush, you gotta clean that up before it soaks in. I cleaned it up for 5 times today.
He missed 5 times today?
No, twice.
Yeah, he missed in the middle of the night, I believe. 4:30 in the morning, I had to go.
Uh-oh. Looks like playtime might be over. Unless Giz is... No.
Teddy, how are you regressing? You're about to get crated for at least every other hour. How does that sound?
Uh-oh.
See what I have to do? See this? Come here. You see what I have to do? I have to clean up your pee. That wouldn't happen, you maniac. Come here, psycho. Check it out. You pee here. You should pee here. Right here, right in the middle.
Look at Giz watching Teddy getting a pee or a potty training.
Right in the middle. That would be a good boy to pee right here in the middle.
I think Giz is coming to help, Smush.
Thanks, Giz. Teddy, do you see how I'm having to clean this up? Is that what you want? Apparently that is.
Uh-oh. Hey! Settle down, Teddy. Teddy, settle down. Hey!
Yeah, he's gonna work out he's gonna barf again.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Bear. Hi. Uh-oh.
Look at Gizmo! Teddy's out of control.
Why does he have to call me?
Oh, look.
Bear. Bear. Hey. You need to relax. Hey, come here. Remember who's the leader of the pack? It's whoever can pick the other one up. What do you think about that, Giz? He's giving him the eyeball.
I think Giz wants to play some more. He was having fun.
I think he just needs to take a 30-second breather.
Yeah, he's getting a little too excited.
Getting a little worked up, aren't you?
Chasing Giz, humping your arm. Okay, Giz. That's it, pal. Your playmate just got created. Okay, don't bite those cords.